Hello friends, our today's activity is grid perspective. We will need scale, pencil, sketch pen. I have cut a few rough papers. I've kept a few rough paper pieces ready. We will draw a square of 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. So mark 14 centimeters and draw a line. So we have drawn a square of 14 centimeters. Now we will mark 4 centimeters on each side. So we are making a grid in the square. We are building a grid in the square, or we are drawing 9 squares in this big square, 9 small squares inside the big square. We are going to draw the squares in such a way so the squares will have 1 centimeter gap with each other. So mark 4 centimeters, then 1 centimeter, then again count 4 centimeters and put a dot, then a 1 centimeter gap, and then 4 centimeters. So mark like this on all the 4 sides. So we will mark 4 centimeters and 1 centimeter. So we'll follow this step for all 4 sides. Now we will draw lines to join the dots or the markings that we made. So see, if you see this, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares. We'll erase the line. Then you will be able to clearly understand that we have actually drawn 9 squares. We will outline these squares with a black sketch pen. So we got 9 squares. So this is the middle square. We are going to draw 2 diagonal lines like this, like the letter X, so that we get the center point of the middle square. So I have got my center point. I have darkened this point. This dot is going to be my vanishing point. I'm going to use this dot as my vanishing point, and I'm going to start drawing the lines using this vanishing point. You have learned 1 point perspective in your previous classes, so you know how to draw lines from a vanishing point to an object. This perspective drawing creates an illusion of depth, so we are going to draw lines inside. So we drew an X line like this. Now for these boxes, we are going to draw from this corner and the vanishing point. So it is only in this. Just hold your scale and draw the line like this. We'll follow the same pattern for the upper square. So we have got our respective lines for each square is now ready.